Trustex Laboratory welcoming you to our state-of-the-art textile laboratory. Lab testing is crucial in the apparel industry to ensure products meet safety, quality, and legal requirements. It helps brands and retailers detect problems before products reach the market, ensuring they meet consumer expectations. The importance of lab testing. Lab testing is an essential part of production and product development, ensuring products meet the highest quality standards. It catches defects early and identifies potential hazards in fabrics or garments, helping companies provide consumers with safe, reliable products. Most importantly, lab testing helps protect brands and retailers from costly recalls or product liability claims. Our facilities. Conditioning laboratory. Our conditioning laboratory is well equipped with dual or double doors, air conditioning, and humidity control to maintain a controlled climate. This ensures consistent results. AATCC Standard ± 21 degrees Celsius, ± 65%, ± 2% RH. Our dark room is kept under the same conditions, housing approved labs throughout the dip season. We approved the lab dip using the latest X-ray light box, reviewing through D65 U30 TL84, UVA, CWF, HZ light sources with data from the spectrophotometer. The spectrophotometer works by passing a light beam through a sample to measure the light intensity of a sample. These instruments are used in the process of measuring color and used for monitoring color accuracy throughout production. The AATCC viewing board is used to assess the smoothness of flat fabrics and seams, specifically retention of creases. In a textile laboratory, spectrophotometers are commonly used for measuring color and spectral data of fabrics and textiles. Here's a general procedure for using a spectrophotometer in such a setting. Each textile laboratory may have specific procedures tailored to their instruments and requirements, but this outline covers the basic steps involved in using a spectrophotometer for textile color measurement. Adjustments may be necessary based on the fabric type, desired measurements, and the capabilities of the spectrophotometer being used. Thermoshygrograph records temperature and humidity to ensure accurate testing conditions. Testing protocols. We could follow ISO, AATCC, or other testing protocols. pH test measures the acidity or alkalinity of a substance, crucial in textile processing. The pH meter determines if a substance is acidic, pH below 7, or basic, pH higher than 7. Dimensional changes after home laundering. Appearance, skewness. Wet processing involves cleaning, preparing, dyeing, and finishing fabrics to achieve desired properties. The AATCC washing machine test assesses color change, staining, shrinkage, skewness, and other fabric properties under standardized laundering conditions. Grade 3 water is a quality water that meets or laid out by British or international standards. It is a transparent, tasteless, odorless, and nearly colorless chemical substance. This water is intended for laboratory use only. Color fastness tests. Color fastness to water evaluates fabric's color retention when exposed to water. Color fastness to perspiration assesses color retention in acidic and alkaline sweat conditions. Color fastness to dye transfer in container storage tests fabric's resistance to dye transfer when stored at 70 degrees Celsius for 48 hours. Color fastness to phenolic yellow discoloration of the textile materials caused by the action of oxides of nitrogen and phenolic compounds, which lead to the production of a yellow color. Color fastness to crocking rub test determines color fastness under friction, both wet and dry, essential for evaluating fabric durability. Color fastness to laundering. Through this accelerated laundering test, color changes and color stains on fabric and clothing are evaluated. Color fastness to chlorine bleach. Chlorine bleach is a disinfecting agent. Chlorine levels are evaluated to ensure that fabric and garments are free of harmful bacteria. Color fastness to non-chlorine bleach. The purpose of this test is to determine the color change during non-chlorine test. Formaldehyde spot test. Formaldehyde. The purpose of this test is to determine the actual concentration of formaldehyde in the product. Formaldehyde is a highly toxic biocide which can cause severe burns and result in death if swallowed, inhaled, or coming into contact with the skin. Nickel test sport. The color change indicates the presence of nickel. Bursting strength test measures fabric's ability to withstand rupture under force, crucial for high-stress applications. Pilling resistance random tumble. A pilling test will measure and determine how resistant fabrics are to piling or fuzzing. Fabric weight measurement. essential for quality control, ensuring fabrics meet specified standards. Coarse wale count. Courses in wales per inch are measured by placing 1-inch glass on the fabric. Yarn size. The yarn size is a measurement used for the number of 840-yard hanks per pound. Stretch recovery testing evaluates fabric stretch and recovery properties, crucial for performance assessment. Hopefully these helps you to gain a clearer understanding of the internal processes of our lab, which will also help reduce the risk of costly mistakes in future. Thank you for your time and for considering Trustex as your trusted partner.